Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. In today's video, I'm just going to do a short video today, a little swipe, a couple of little swipes with negative space around it on white, and we'll see how it turns out. So come and join me. Welcome everybody. I am going to do a little swipe on this 6x6 tile. It's not a tile, it's a little canvas. Oh, and I think I'm almost out of paint here. Time to refill my container. It's my white house paint. Instead of pouring it out of the big can, I put it into a smaller container. Try and spread it around a little bit. That's just a different house paint that I mixed with a gray, bit of gray, so that's why that looks funny there. All right. I'm going to use a bunch of different greens. And I think I'll put some gold in it. This is a Deco Art Gold. I don't know the name of this one. The label came off. So I really don't know what it's called. It's a nice gold. It almost looks like a champagne. All right, so I'm going to put down some turquoise. I'm just going to do stripe like that. This one, that's opaque. This is opaque also. This is a metallic leaf green by Artist Loft. Let's see if I have any air bubbles in here. I think I'll put the gold now. And then I have a yellow green by Amsterdam. And then I have some, oh no, I'm not going to use the silver. I used gold instead. Then I have, this is a Pinot Gris, this little piggy. It's one of those interferent colors. And then I have this is a Color Shift Emerald Flash. And I'm going to use I have some Payne's Gray and Australian Floetrol. I'm just going to use a card. Whoa, that's so pretty. Do one in the middle now, smaller one. Oh dear. Now I'll just go on the other side. Love it. Love these colors. I'm just going to take this one. Okay. I'm going to tilt it a little bit. Tilt it this way. I'm going to go this way. Wow, it's pretty. Move this out of the way. There, I don't think I'm going to spin it anymore because I'll do one more time. Just some little white air bubbles that come up from the white paint, but it's pretty good. Pretty good. There. Awesome. I love it. I'm going to leave it, and that's it. There's my little swipe for the day. The sides are pretty much covered. Yep. There you go. Have a good day, everybody. Come back to Carol's Art Room. You know, it would look nice. Maybe I can do one like this with some silver and try a modified balloon. Would look nice in these colors. All right, have a good day, everyone, and see you in the next video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. That would be so awesome. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Here's my dried swipe, bloom swipe. Just a simple swipe with really pretty greens. I just love it. Awesome. That's right, so smooth. Perfect. Look at those cells, they're gorgeous. It's not often I do greens, but if you put it with the right colors, they can be beautiful. Have a good day, everyone, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Bye-bye.